Good morning, my dear students. So we'll continue with that exercise 5.3. Till second problem we have solved. Today we'll solve the third problem. So what they have given, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Clock means it is in a circular shape. So consider in that 14 centimeter. What they have given, minute hand is 14 centimeters. So that means that they have given for us radius. So radius is given as 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand. So we have to find area by what? By the minute hand if it covers 5 minutes. So if it is at a 12, then after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so 15, 30, 45, then it will cover 60 minutes. So then at 5 minutes, when it's swept by the 5 minutes, how much area it will cover we have to find. So it is looking like a now sector. So we have to find the area of the sector. To find the area of the sector, we need theta, which we don't know. So theta value we don't know. We have to find the theta value. So for that, we know that previously how we are solving on the basis of that only. Angle meet in 60 minute. Angle meet in 60 minute. So this minute hand, when it completes one rotation, come back to the 12. So it will cover how much degree? That is overall circle it will complete. That is 360 degree. So angle meet for 60 minutes it is 360. We need angle meet in 5 minutes how much? So 5 minutes how much it will meet we have to find. So how we are doing it? It will be considered as x into 60, x into 60, which is equal to 360, cross multiplication, 360 into 5. So x is equal to 360 into 5 divided by 60. 0 0 get cancelled, 6 ones are 6 6 are 6 5s are 30 degree. So this is our theta. Now you know the theta, you know the radius. Using area of the sector, calculate. Write the formula and substitute that one. Try to calculate and get the answer. So by using formula, radius we know that 14 into 14. Then 7 ones are 7 twos are 0 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 6 are 12. 2 11s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. So is there anything remaining? No. So now again we can't cancel. So 11 into 14, denominator divided by 3. So 11 4s are. So 44, then 4 remains 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. So area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 154 divided by 3 centimeter. So write it that one. Next question. See in the next question what they have given. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtended a right angle. So that means in a circle they have given that a chord of a circle. So there is a chord. So give the name as A and B. It is a chord having the radius. Radius means this is having radius from the center O, centimeter, 10 centimeter, and subtended a right angle at the center. So at a center it is forming a right angle triangle. So that means 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So we'll first solve for minor segment. What do you mean by minor segment? Whenever it is forming the chord and the curve arc is forming a area, that is called as minor segment. Now to find the minor segment, so formula we know that area of the circles from the area of the sector, this part we are subtracting a triangle, the area of the triangle. So using that formula we are calculating. So write the formula. So here you know that area of the sector. So area of the sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle. So we have to observe the triangle. As it is a right angle triangle, we have the base and the height. So we can use that one, half into base into height. So now theta value, as they have given at the center O, the angle will be 90 degree divided by 360 degree. Then into pi value. So as in the question they have given 3.14, you have to use. Then use that one. Nothing will happen if you use 22 by 7, but the problem calculation will be lengthy. So hence whatever they have given, that only we will consider. 3.14 into radius, how much given? 10. So 10 into 10 divided by 1 by 2. So as it is a right angle triangle, we know that in a right angle triangle this will be the base. at an angle. So then this will be the height of the triangle. So both also, as it is the radii, it will be equal, 10 into 10. So now possible, wherever possibility is there, there you cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are, then we'll keep it like that only. We'll multiply this one, 3.14, 10 into 10, so decimal will be shifted here, then we will cancel. So 2 ones are 2, 5 is are, so 314 I will write. So this will be multiplied, 314, decimal will be shifted after multiplication of 100, divided by 4, minus 5 tens are 50. Now we can simplify, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 1 remains, 2 fives are, then 1 remains, 2 sevens are. So what is remaining? 157 divided by 2 minus 50. So now we can take the LCM, 2 is in the denominator, LCM will be 2, 157 minus 52s are 100. So remaining is 57 by 2. So we'll divide that one, 2 twos are 4, directly I will divide, you try it, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, then 16, 2 8s are 16, so point 1 remains, 5 is a centimeter square. So the area of the minor segment will be 28.5 centimeter. Again they have asked a major segment. Now for the major segment, what is the formula? We know that to find the major segment, so from the circle, as they have given, from the circle to find the major segment, we have to remove the minor segment. So from the major, so overall circle, we have to remove minor, we are able to get the major segment using directly the formula which we have for the major sector. So write that one, write the values and try to calculate. So pi r square, area of the circle, theta divided by 360 pi r square. So substituting all the values, as pi is 3.14, radius are 10 and angle is 90 degree. So try to cancel, 3.14 multiplied with 100. So decimal will be shifted at a right hand side. So 314 minus. So here 0 0 get cancelled, 9 ones are 9, 4s are 36. Then again this we will keep it like that only. So 10 into 10 is there. So 314 divided by 4. Now cancel this one. So 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2, so 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, 1 remains, 2 7s are. So 314 minus 157 divided by 2. Now denominator is 2, take the LCM, nothing is there, multiplied with 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 628 minus 157. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 4, 471 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, dividing this one, 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0.25s are 10, so centimeter square. So the area of the major segment will be 235.5 centimeter square. So this completes our fourth, because they have asked a minor segment and major segment. So completed. So the next question. So what they have given, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter. So in a circle we have from the center O. So the circle radius is 21 centimeter. So 21 centimeter, and A and O we will give the name, and subtended at an angle. So angle they have given, it is 60 degree. So there before it is 90 degrees, so here it is 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. So first one we have to find. So radius we know that 21 centimeter, then theta we know that 60 degree. So both also there. So we can calculate. First one is area of, not area, the length of arc. So the length of arc, so give the name C and D, so it will be easy. ACB. So I told you, whenever arc is there, the length is there, then what we are doing, theta divided by 360 into perimeter we are taking. So hence it is 2 pi r. So now theta value given as 60 degree, 360, 2 into, so as pi value they have not given, we will consider 22 by 7. Then our radius is given as 21. Then 7 ones are, 7 3s are, 0 0 get cancelled, 6 ones are, 6 6 are, then 2 3s are 6, 2 cancels, so 3 3 get cancelled, only remaining here 22. So the length of the arc will be 22 centimeter. Second, they have asked that area of sector. So they have asked area of the sector. So whether we have sector here, no. So that means we have to find for that join AB. So this is the area of the sector. Whenever area of the sector is asked, we will find for minor sector. So major sector may in the question only given. Now in this problems we are considering minor sector. So minor sector area we have to find. So to find the minor segment, sector, what is needed for us? So the calculation by using the formula theta divided by 360 pi r square. So we will calculate. So the area of whole sector, not the segment, this area of whole sector. Segment is this one, ACB. So we want the sector formula. So area of the sector is AOBC. AOBC theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta value is how much? 60 degree divided by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 21. So r square is that 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7 3s are 0 0 get cancel. 6 ones are 6 6 are 3 ones are 3 2s are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So remaining is 11 and 21. So 11 into 21. So 21 ones are 21, 231 centimeter square. So that will be the answer. Then the third one, area of segment asked. So area of segment when it is asked, so the segment, when these are joined, it will form the segment. This area they have asked at the third. So to find the area of the segment, what we are doing, by using the formula of area of the sector segment, from area of the sector we have to remove area of the triangle, then we are able to get the area of the segment. So area of the segment will be ACB. So what is the formula? Area of sector ABC. Sector, area of the sector, from the area of the sector we are removing the triangle, which is the area of the sector OACB minus of area of triangle AOB. See here, area of the sector already we know. For our work is now area of the triangle to calculate. Area of, so this will be 231. This will be area of the triangle we are calculating, trying to calculate area of the triangle. So to calculate the area of the triangle, height and the base are required because it is half into base into height. So for that, as half into base into height, base value and the height value, so we don't know, because in the triangle the base, this is AB. So whether we have that information, no. To get the height, whether we have the information, no. If in previous case it was 90 degrees, so it is easy for us. This will be the height, this will be the base. We know that time. So now as it is a 60 degree, so it is which type of triangle it is forming, that first we have to observe. So think separately, I will do that one. So in a triangle, so it is 60 degree. So first our work is, so what is the angle of these two? We have to check. So we know that OA is the radii. How much it is there? 21 centimeter. How much it is there? 21 centimeter. And now see both the sides are equal. So if sides are equal in the triangle, the opposite angles will become equal. If opposite angles, that means angle A and angle B are equal. So for that what we can say? Angle O, angle A, angle B, angle some property, it is 180 degree. Now we know that as sides are equal, the angles also equal. So angle, so we can say yes, angle A is equal to angle B. So instead of angle B, if we write angle A, which is equal to 180 degree, angle O is equal to plus of 2, angle A is equal to 180 degree. Now we want angle A value. So this we know that angle 60 degree plus of 2 angle A 180 degree. Both I will take that side. 2 angle A is equal to 180 divided by 60. So angle A 2A is equal to 180 divided by 60, 120. Angle A is equal to 120 divided by 2, 2 6 12. So angle A 60 degree. That means that, so the triangle which they have given, area of the triangle, all the angles, this is also 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. That means it is equilateral triangle. So when area of the equilateral triangle is there, so that time the formula will become as square root of 3 by 4 side square. So remember this one, whenever the angles or equilateral triangle, the triangle is equilateral triangle, then we'll use the area formula as square root of 3 by 4 side square. So now calculate square root of 3 by 4, 21 square. So this we have found for this one. So now therefore area of the segment, in the formula we will calculate area of the segment ACB is equal to area of the sector, already we got 231 minus. So area we have calculated root 3 by 4, 21 square, we will write it as 21 into 21. So it will not cancel, so I'll write like that only. So 21 into 21, 441, 21 square, square root of 3 divided by 4. Let it keep the answer here only, centimeter square. So this will be our answer. Next question. So in the sixth question, what is given? A chord of a circle having the radius. So they have given that there is a circle which is having the chord AB of circle radius 15 centimeter. So radius is the 15 centimeter subtended at angle of 60 degree. So now previously as we have solved 60 degree angle, so that means radii are same, the opposite angles will become equal. If opposite angle will become, it will equal to the 60 degree by angle sum property. So same like, so here we are not solving, directly we are writing, because we know now what is the angle. So angle R is the radius is given as 15, then as angle we know that theta they have given as 60 degree. So what we have to find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. Segment they have asked. So segment means this one, sector will be whole, segment of ACB, this arc related. Then major segment, by using directly the formula area of, so write the formula, write the substituted formula, value substitute, and as you know that area of the triangle, so here it is equilateral triangle. So as equilateral triangle, then the formula should be used as square root of 3 by 4 side square, write that one. So as area of the sector formula, area of the triangle AOB, as it is equilateral, so equilateral we will write. Then theta is given as 60 degree divided by 360. As pi we have to use, question they have given, it is 3.14 into radius as it is 15 into 15 minus square root of 3 divided by 4. Afterwards in the calculation we will use that one, 1.73. Side square, side is 15 into 15. So now 0 get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 6s are. So then again is that it is 4 4 6 unit digit is even, so we can cancel from the 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 1 remains, 2 5s are, 1 remains, 2 7s are, 2 decimal before point is there, so we'll keep it like that. Then 3 1s are, 3 5s are 15. So 1.57 into 15 5s are 75 minus. So now they have given that root 3 use at 1.73 divided by 4. Then 15s are 225. So now decimals we will convert. So multiplying numerator by 100, denominator by 100. So 157 divided by 100 into 75 minus 173 divided by 4 into here also 100, here also 100. So when we will do the by 100, the decimal will be shifted to 173. From here to here it will shift. So 4 into 100 will be 400. So into 225. Now try to cancel. 2 5s are or 5 2s are will cancel. 5 5 is there. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 1s are 5. So 2 remains, 5 5s are. Then 5 4s are, 5 3s are. So here also 5 8s are 40, 0. Then 5 4s are 20. 2 remains, 5 5s are. Then 5 1s are 5. So 3 remains, 5 6s are. Then 5 9s are 45. So remaining we'll try to calculate 157 into 3 divided by 4, then minus 173 into 9 divided by 16. So multiply 7 3s are 21. So then 5 3s are 15, 16 17. So 471. So 4 minus 173, 1557 divided by 16. So take the LCM for that. 14 and 16 LCM will be 16. So this way should be multiplied with 16. Multiply and subtract and write the answer. So I got the answer as 20.43 centimeter square. So this they have asked in the question area of a minor segment. So area of minor segment calculated. Now we have to calculate the area of a major segment. So to find the area of the major segment, we know the formula. From the overall circle, we are removing the minor segment area. So then we can calculate. So use that formula, substitute the formula. So by using the formula pi r square, area of the circle, then area of the minor segment we have calculated. So pi r square, the value pi we have to use at 3.14 into radius is given as 15 into 15 minus of area of the minor segment 20.43. This is 20.43. So 20.43. So as it is 3.14, we will convert to the decimal by multiplying by 100 divided by 100. So directly I will write 314 divided by 100. That means I have already multiplied. So 15 15s are 225. So 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 4s are 20. So 2 remains, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. Then 5 9s are 45. So 4 and remaining is 20.43. So 9 and 4, now it will not cancel, but here even number is there, it will cancel. 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, 1 remains, 2 7s are. So which is remaining, that much we will write. 157 into 9 divided by 2 minus 20.43. So we'll multiply this one, 3 1 and 1 4. So divided by 2, 20.43. So this we will divide 1 1 4 1 3 divided by 2. Then 2 7s are 14, remainder becomes 0. So to take the next number, add the 0, 1 and 13. So 13 6, sorry, 2 6s are 12. So 1 remain. So 0.0. Then 2 5s are 10, 0 remainder. So we got the answer as this one, 706.5 minus 20.43. Subtract and write the answer. So 5 minus 3. So after subtraction, 686.07 centimeter square. So this will be our area of the major segment. Next question. So in the 7th question, what they have given, a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So in a circle we have the chord AB. So of a circle radius 12 centimeter, from the center it is 12 centimeter, subtended an angle of 120 degree. So angle will be 120. It is not 90 degree, it is not 60 degree, now it is 120 degree. So that means little bit format will change, how we have solved previously. The angle we have to find then. So on the basis of angle, how area of the triangle should be calculated, we will see. Then find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So we have to find the corresponding segment, we have to find. Segment means already we know that. So find the corresponding segments. So we will calculate. To get the area of the segment, what we are doing, from the area of the sector we will remove the area of the triangle. So both we will separately calculate. So by using the formula area of the segment, we will give the name ACB and DO. So area of the segment we want, ACB we are calculating, area of the sector that is AOBC, then area of the triangle AOD. So first this we will use as equation 1. So and in question they have given pi we have to use as 3.14, square root of 3 we have to use as 1.73. So now area of the segment ACB, by using the formula, first we will calculate area of the sector. So for area of sector, why separately I am solving, because we know that area of the triangle is not half into base into height, because it is not 90 degree angle, we don't know the height and base also. Then it is not 60 degree angle, by to use the formula square root of 3 by 4 side square. So separately we will calculate for that. So area of the sector AOBC is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta is given as 120 divided by 360. Pi is given as 3.14 into radius is given as how much? 12. 12 into 12, 6 6. 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36. Then 3 ones are 3 4s are. So remaining it is 3.14. So I'll multiply this one by 100 divided by 100. So it will shift, decimal will shift, 314 divided by 100 into 4 into 12 remaining. So we'll cancel, it is even number, so it will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 5s are, then remaining 314 into 12 divided by 25. So multiply this one, it's like 7 and 3768 divided by 25. So divide this one, 3768 divided by 25, get the answer. So by dividing, it's 150.72 centimeter square. So area of the sector we got, like that area of the triangle we have to find. So to find area of the triangle, half into base into height. So here separately I will make it that one, it will be easy. Angle OAB. So here we have 12 centimeter, that means here also we have 12 centimeter. But the base also we don't know here, and height also we don't know. For example, consider this one, OD is the height. Here this value also we don't know, this value we also don't know. That means we have to find. Here 90-degree angle is not there, 60-degree angle is not there. Then how to get these any side and this side also value, because AB base we need, height also we need. First that we will think this angle is given as overall 120 degree. So as these are forming two triangles, so we need the side information. As we need the side information, first our work is to prove two triangles are congruent to each other. Why? When you prove that congruent to each other, you will get that two angles are equal to each other, two sides are equal, because AD is equal to DB. Then you calculate the AD value, substitute. If you get the AD, you are able to calculate AB. For example, if AD is 3 centimeter, then 2 times 3 plus 3. So we are able to get the AB value. So it will be easy for us if we prove that two triangles are congruent. So to prove that two triangles are congruent, information what we have, you see. So OD we will construct OD perpendicular to the AB. So as OD is perpendicular to AB, so it forms 90-degree angle. So 90-degree angle, these are the radii OA and OB. So one we have 90 degree, one we have 12 centimeter hypotenuse, that means then remaining is OD. So by RHS we can say that two triangles are congruent. So we'll write that one in a triangle, which one, ADO, and so we can write directly, because we will make the problem simpler way, BDO. So directly we will write triangle ADO is congruent triangle BDO. Why I wrote by the RHS. So how RHS? Because angle D is 90 degree and hypotenuse side AO is equal to DO, that is by radii. Then we know that OD is common. So on the basis of that we have written two triangles. So now if two triangles are congruent, then the angles will also become equal. Then with that the sides will also be equal. Which angle will say take this 120 degree, because it is 120 degree it will divide equal. So that also we can say here. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOD. So by CPCT, whenever it is congruency, that means it is by CPCT. Then which we needs, AD is equal to DB by CPCT. So this will be easy for us. So which we needed, because we are able to calculate, but we have to calculate the AD length. So for that what we have to do, see. So AD is equal to DB, we come to know that. Now we will take this smaller triangle. So in that, carefully listen, D and A we have. So this we come to know that how much now, because angle AOD and BOD are equal. This is the bisector now. So this will be 60 degree. We have this information. So here another one method will come. When angle we know that and this side we know that. So this is forming OD, right angle triangle. So whenever right angle triangle is there, So that on the basis of trigonometric ratios, again you are studying there, now you remember that. So opposite to 90 degree, that is called as hypotenuse side. Then whatever the angle is given, so for that side opposite will be there, that is called as opposite side. Remaining is adjacent side. So the angle which is opposite to 90 degree, that is called as hypotenuse side. This is 60 degree, or any angle like theta will be there, opposite to that side will be there, that is called as opposite side and adjacent side. So these trigonometry ratios we are studying in next lesson. So till that remember this one. So here we have the information of angle and hypotenuse, and we want the information of opposite side. So we have one formula, that is to calculate the side in a triangle ADO. So we have the information of angle, so theta as 60 degree, and with that we have the information of hypotenuse. We have to find the opposite. So by using trigonometry ratio, sine 60 degree. Why sine? Because we have hypotenuse and opposite we have to find. Hypotenuse information we have, adjacent we don't have. So sine theta is always the opposite divided by hypotenuse. So we will write that formula. Sine theta is given here as 60 degree. So opposite divided by adjacent, hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side how much they have given, we don't know. AD, that only we have to find. Hypotenuse is given as 12. Then sine 60 degree. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. That is 60 degree value. So 60 degree root 3 by, the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So now AD value we have to find. Keep it AD here. Root 3 into 2. It is divisible. It comes this side, and multiplication 2 ones are 2 6 are. So we got a 6 root 3 as the AD value. So as AD is this much, then AB will be, AB is equal to AD plus of DB. So AD is 6 root 3 plus of 6 root 3. Now 6 is common, then root 3 plus of root 3, then root 3, 6 square root of 2 root 3. So 6 2s are 12, 12 root 3. So AB will be 12 root 3. So now we got AB as 12 root 3. So in the triangle we got AB, and now our work is we have to find height. So that this AB is nothing but our base. So to base value we got, now we have to find height, that is OD. So now for that also we will take a triangle. In triangle ADO, so in the triangle ADO, so again we will take that triangle ADO. So which we want now? This we want. So hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. So now we need adjacent. So as we have sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So as we need adjacent, we have the information of opposite. Angle is 60 degree. Then we can apply cos theta. Cos theta is how much? 60 degree into adjacent. Adjacent we have to find OD divided by hypotenuse is how much? 12. So cos theta, sine will be 1 by 2, 1 by root 3, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. Then reverse, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So the values you remember, after that you are studying that one. 1 by 2 is equal to OD divided by 12. So 12 cross multiplication. So 12 divided by 2 OD, which is 2 ones are 2 6 are. So OD is equal to 6 centimeters. So this is our base, this is our height. So now substitute in the area of the triangle formula which we have calculated previously. See. So there we are substituting. So area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base into height. So half into base we have calculated as 12 into root 13, root 3, this one 13 I wrote here, root 3 into height is 6. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are then 12 threes are 36 root 3. So area of the triangle we got. So here till now what we have calculated, the area of the triangle we calculated, and this is area of sector. We have to find area of the segments. Till now it is there, this value, and area of the triangle this value. We will give this one equation 2 is given, no, equation 2. Then next one, equation 3 we will give. Substitute equation 2 and 3 value in equation 1, first one. So substitute equation 2 and 3 value in equation first. So substituted value 150.72 we got. So then root 3 value is given in the question. So 150.72, root 3 value is given as 1.73. Multiply that one, 150.72, 36 into 1.7, so 62.28. So I multiplied. So subtract this one, 150.72 and 6.2. So 150.72, 62.28. So 4.88. So centimeter square. So this will be our answer. So the next question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. So what they have given, a horse is tied with a rope having of a 5 meter long rope. So that means this is given as 5 meter. So they have given that. So the length of the rope as 5 meter. Then so as length in the triangle in a grace, the rope is there which will be tied with a 5 meter. So then they have given a square shaped field and side of 15 meter by means that 5 meter long rope. The area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. So this, the square of the grass with side of 15 centimeter. So what it is making, it is eating the grass with the side. Side means the square side. So along 15 meter. So if it is tied, see this is the square shape. So consider in that if it is tied, here it is tied. So it can move like this only. It can move like this only. Whether it is possible to move from there, from leaving that place, no, because it is tied already. So this much length is there. So like this it is covering, like this it is covering. So that means it will make one circular shape there. So as it is a circular shape, then the area will be this one. So if that is the area, then we know that this is called as sector. So then by using the area of the sector formula, theta divided by 360 pi r square. So there radius is given already. Which is the radius? So how much length they have given from here to there? How much length they have given? 5. Because rope is 5 centimeter. So this much is 5 meter. This much is 5 meter. So 5 meter and 5 meter radius. So this is 5. Radius is the 5. So by use the formula, and in question whether the value is given, pi is given as 3.14, so that we are calculating. Then again the area of the part of the field in which horse can graze. So it can graze 5 meter length by taking the radius like this. Then increase in the grazing area. So if in the triangle, so if 5 meter is there, it can graze this area, this much area, 5 meter length. If it is increased, if the length of the rope were 10 meters, so again 5 meter increased, total 10 meter. So it will graze more area. So now we have to calculate how much. So we will consider the bigger area as A, smaller area is minus A, which we have calculated previously. We will subtract that one in that. So let us write. So whatever I explained, I wrote that one. So at a 5 meter long, it will be attached. So the radius will be 5 and 5 and value 3.14. Angle form, because it is the, as they have given, it is a square, so it will be 90 degree formation. So hence it is 90 degree. Then 90 divided by 369, 9 ones are 9 fours are, then we will consider this one. 3.14 is there. So or we can cancel 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, 1 remains 7. So 1.57. So multiply this one by 100 and divided by 100. So directly I will write 157 divided by 2 is there here, 2 into 100 into 5 5s are 25. So 2 5s, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 4s are. So 157 divided by 4 2s are 8. Divide this one and get the answer. So divisible value is 19.625 centimeter square. Not centimeter, meter square. They have given meter. So the next one, as they have given increase the area of the grazing. So 5 to they have increased the 10 meter. So previously it is 5. So now increase. So this area, increasing area we have to find. So we'll consider the bigger area as A, smaller one minus A. So areas, bigger area, this much, from here to here. So this is also looking like what? This is also looking like the sector. So by area of the sector formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square minus of this smaller area, this much which we have got previously. So 19.625. Now calculate 90 divided by 90 degree divided by 360 degree into 3.14. The radius now it is 5 plus 5. So 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 minus 19.625. So 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 remains, 2 5s are 2 7s are 2 point before decimal. So 2 is there. So we will not cancel, we will keep it, or else multiplication of this value we will write. 1.57, this 2 we will not cancel. 2 into 10 into 10 100 minus 19.625. So 1.57 into 100, 157 divided by 2, 19.625. As it is in a decimal, will get converted to this one also decimal. 2 7s are 14, 1 remains, 2 8s are 2 7s are 14. Wait, I don't. 2 7s are 14. Then 2 8s are 16. 1 remain. So if you don't know, you calculate sidely. So 0.025 are. So 78.5. So I got 78.5 minus of 19.625. So subtract. So 78.5, 19.625. So 58.875 meter square. This will be the second answer. This will be the first answer. Next question. So in the next question, I will explain. After that, by using the formula, I will solve and then I will show that one. A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of circular. So they have given that diameter is 35 millimeter. So in millimeter they have given. The wire is also used for making 5 diameters, which divided the circle into 10 equal parts. So we have 5 diameters, 2, 3, then 4, then another one also I will draw here. So all should be at the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 equally they have divided. So now we have to find which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Show that the total length of the silver wire. So we have to find the length. So when it is a length, how many length it is used? Whenever it is a length, the length of the wire means they have took one wire, they have rotated that one in a circular shape, and the diameter also they have used that wire only. So for length means it is circumferences of a circle. So circumferences of a circle only this much. Around one round we are able to calculate. So now to calculate the total length of the wire required, so one is circumferences, then how many diameters are there? 5 diameters. So what we will do? The circumferences of circle plus of 5 diameter we will calculate. So circumferences of circle by using formula 2 pi r, then diameter as they have given a diameter as 35. So how many diameters are there? 5. 5 into 35. So using this formula we will calculate the total length of the silver wire. So now the area of each sector of the brooch. So they have asked area of each sector. So from O, A, D you consider. From there we are calculating the area. For that radii we know that diameter is given. So from the diameter calculate the radii. So 35 divided by 2. Then angle we have to calculate. So this we got. Then theta we have to calculate. So angle, to find the angle we know that how many are there. From the total angle how much? 360 degree. Then how many parts are there? How many parts are there? So in 360, as they have given the circle into 10 equal sectors. So that means we have did 10 parts. 0, 0 get cancelled. So it will be 36. So theta also we got as 36 and radius also we have. Then we have to find area of sector by using formula of area of sector AOB, theta divided by 360 pi r square. So we'll calculate that one. I'll calculate and show that one. So as I told, total length of the silver wire required, we are calculating for the total length of the silver wire. Circumferences of a circle, diameter. Why? Because we need the length. So circumferences formula is 2 pi r plus of 5 into 35. 35. How many diameters are there? So millimeter it is there. So we'll not convert. We'll keep it like that only. 22 by 7 using that. Then 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. 2 ones are 2 11s are 22 into 5. So multiply and try to get the answer. Then area of each sector, as I told, area of each sector means angle theta. Theta value we don't know. So as we have found their theta value. So area of the sector, total how many, total angle divided by how many parts we have did. Total angle is 360 divided by 10. So we got theta as 36. Then radius from the diameter we are calculating 35 by 2. Then substitute in the formula and try to calculate the value. So the next problem. So in the next problem, 10th one, an umbrella has the ribs. So in the circular, if we open that one, we are able to see that circular formation. How many ribs are there? 8 ribs are there. So 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 8 ribs. In that they have given radius as 45 centimeters. So we'll consider one radius as 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs. So one single rib, 2 consecutive. Next to another one. So any one, that angle theta. So now already you know that. Don't worry for the angles. You are calculating the angle. Overall angle is 360 degree. How many parts they have did divided by 8. So by using that one, calculate that one. 8 ones are 8 fours are, then 8 fives are 45 degree. So theta we got as 45 degree. Then radius also you know. You have to find the area of the sector by using formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So the pi value, as they have not given, 22 by 7. Radius you are taking as how much they have given, 45. So into 45. Then 22 by 7 into angle given as 45 calculated. So that we will write. So I have written that one for angle for area of a sector. So for this area we are calculating. So AOB. So theta calculated by using 360. Overall angle, with one angle we want. How many parts we have did? 8. So 45. Area between the 2 consecutive ribs. So that means area of a sector. So AOB. Theta divided by 360 degree pi r square. So pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 45 into 45. Then cancellation. So remaining is 45 into 45 into 11. 7 into 4. You try and calculate. 22,275. After dividing, we got the answer in terms of centimeter square. Next question. So 12th one, a wrap strip for the underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread. So 11th one not solved. 11th one, a car has 2 pipes which do not overlap. So in the car we have observed that in the front mirror. So there will be a swipe. 2 swipes will be there. Has the blade of length 25 meter. So this is having length of 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. It will not overlap. It will swipe this much area and come back. Swipe this much area. So we are able to observe that it is moving like this and coming back. Moving like this and coming back. So that means how much angle they have given. So they have given that it covers 115 degree. It covers 115 degree. Now we have to find the total area cleaned at each sweep. So they have asked not only one, they have asked total area cleaned by at each sweep together. So how it is looking? It is looking like a sector. So by using sector formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square, but 2 swipes are there, so 2 times. So calculate and get the answer, that much only. So on the basis of that, they have given 100 and theta also we have 150, radius also we have as 25, but 2 swipes area they have asked, so 2 times of the area. By using the same diagram, total area cleaned at each swipe, theta divided by 360 into pi r square, 2 times. So 2 times angle 115, 360, 22 by 7, 25 into 25, the radius they have given. Then calculate, divide that the terms, how much it is possible to simplify, that much you simplify. So I got 23 into 11, 625 divided by 7 into 18. So after that I multiplied and divided the answer. So final answer I got as 1254.96. So I'll continue. Next question. So the 12th one, they have given that the worn ship for underwater. So we have observed that in underwater the light spread a red color light over. So there will be stones or some materials if it come distracted to the ship. So then what they are, underwater rocks will be there. So that will distract the ship to move forward. So they will be constructed a lighthouse which has the light. So which will be spreading the red light color. So it will spread the light like this. So how much length it is there on the basis of that. So they have given it will spread the angle of 80 degree. So 80 degree they have given at a distance. Distance also given 16.5 kilometers. So they have given in kilometer. So we'll keep it like that only because angle is there 80 degree. So theta we know that 80 degree. Then length, that is the radius. Because from the center, from here, if it is the circular shape, if you consider, then it will be the base. So it is forming the radius of 16.5. So now we have, that means that this area, how much it is covered, that we have to calculate. The area of the sea over which the ships are worn. So in which, how much area it will be worn, so that we have to calculate. So area of sector. So area of sector, theta divided by the 360 into pi r square. So here they have given in the question, use the value as 3.14. So use pi value as 3.14, substitute in the formula and calculate. So same diagram, by using theta 80, radius is 16.5, area of sea over which the ship are warned, theta divided by, that means that sector, area of sector, theta divided by 360 pi r square, 80 divided by 360, 3.14. So I have multiplied here only, divided by 100 directly. So 300 divided by 100 into 10,000. So 16.5. So I got 55. That only 100 I took here. So 55 divided by. So you try to calculate by your own way. Then you come to know that. So answer 157 and 121 I got. So 189.97 kilometer square, as the unit is given in terms of kilometer. So the next question, 13th one, a round table cover has 6 design as shown in the figure. So it has 6 design, 1 2 3 4 5 6, cover 28 centimeter. So the radius of the cover, they have given radius from the center O 28 centimeter. The cost of making the design at the rate. So the cost, how much cost is there, that we have to calculate. To calculate the cost for this cover, first we have to calculate the area. So without area we can't calculate the cost of the design what they have asked. So for that, to find the area of the design, so what we will do, 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are there. So we will consider, first we will consider only one part. So one part area we will calculate by using that. So one part area of the segment we will calculate. So the design formed. Why? Because they have given, there is a formation of the shapes are there, yes. So that is the design. They have asked these designs. How much area is required. So that means this is our segment. So to calculate the segment, we need the area of sector. So area of sector minus of area of triangle. So area of triangle. So to calculate the triangle, how many parts are there? 6 parts. So 360 divided by 6. So how 6 part you are able to see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 360 divided by 6. So 6 6 da. So that means 60 degree. So each sector is having 60 degree. From here to here it is having 60 degree. When it is 60 degree, it is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Then area of the sector you are calculating by using the formula theta divided by 360 pi r square. Calculate that one. Then calculate root 3 by 4 side square value. Then substitute that one in the formula. Subtract both the values. Then get the answer. So this is area of the segment for each one we have calculated. So first what we are doing? Area of segment we are calculating by using the formula of area of sector minus of area of a triangle, by using this and this, subtracting. This we are separately calculating, this we are separately calculating, subtracting and getting the answer. So whatever answer we will get, that answer is only one part. So same that we will multiply with a 6 part, because 6 parts are there. Then what we will get? Overall area we will get. How much it will come, that we will calculate the area. So once we get the area, so for each area they have given how much cost is given, 0.35. So how much area is there, from that we will multiply. So roughly I calculated as I explained. To find the area of the design, area of the segment ABC, area of a sector minus of area of a triangle. We will give equation 1. So we'll calculate the area of sector. So to calculate area of sector, theta divided by 360 pi r square, substitute the value, get the answer 8624 divided by 21. I got the answer as 410.66. So this is in terms of centimeter square. So by equilateral triangle, because 360 divided by 6, 6 parts. So square root of 3 by 4 side square. So as square root of 3 by 4, 28 into 28, cancel that one. We are able to get the answer. So 1.7 is there. So I have multiplied 10 into 10. So divided by 10, 17 divided by 10. So cancel. Got the answer as 333.2. This is the first. Substitute in equation. In equation 1. So what values? First one we got 410.6. Second one 333.2. So we got the answer as 77.46. So this is for each part. So we have how many parts? So 6 parts. So area of 6 segments, 6 into 77.46. That is 464.76. See, check the values, the areas formed and the product. At the last they have asked, so theta, take the answer of the correct. So they have given area of the sector. So area of the sector, how much given? Area of the sector is given as P. So we know that theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta is given, area angle is given as P divided by 360 degree. Pi, radius is given as r. So we want 360 degree, P divided by 180 into 2 pi r is there, r square we want. So don't have the answer. P divided by 180, P is there, 180 is not there, pi r square is there. So 180 is not there, so it is not answer. P divided by 360, yes, P divided by 360, 2 pi r is there. So 2 pi r is there, we need r square, so it is not there. P divided by 720. So P divided by 720 into 2 pi r square. So pi r square is there, P also there, but 2 and we will cancel this one. 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 2 6s are. So that means the D will be the answer. If you want, write this one also, how we have calculated. So option is answer D. So read all the formulas, then till 8th problem study for the Monday. Then see the examples problems and solve that example problem. Example 2 and example 3 problem in your notes after completing all the 14 problems.